What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to light up your RFSSW. So once you have your facade all set up the way you want, you can bring it to the next level by setting up some lights. For this you can use any par lights or strip lights that you have that will fit behind the facade. So for today I'm going to set up 4 of my par lights and set one up to each panel. So in setting up the light to the facade, you can use a wall washing technique where you have the light shining upwards, and then you can place the light right up against the panel just like this. This will give each panel an extremely illuminated effect like you see here. And if your lights have legs or mounting brackets that you can use to angle the light, another setup you can use is by placing the light a few inches away, and then from there you can angle the light so that it hits the facade the way you want. And always remember, the more lights you use, the more illuminated the facade will be. So with 4 lights set up to each panel, you get an extremely lit setup like this. Now if you're using strip lights instead of par lights, you can follow similar steps, but you just want to make sure you have enough room for your strip lights to fit. And then from there you can use the wall washing technique, or you can place it a few inches away and have the light set on an angle. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to light up your RFSSW, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.